5 ways pinless moisture meters can save you time and money. How often does a project take longer than expected? Especially due to a moisture-related issue. You want each project to end on time. But is that even possible? With the right tool, yes. Your moisture testing could go 3 times faster. 5 ways pinless meters save you time and money. Speed. Pinless moisture meters utilize a flat plate that can quickly scan many points on a board. You can get work done 3 times faster with our pinless meter versus using a pin meter. Accuracy. The whole point of a moisture meter is to get a moisture reading you can count on. But keep in mind, not all pinless meters are created the same, and cheaper ones have a greater margin of error. Whether you're installing wood flooring or building cabinets, you need a quality tool that will give you peace of mind and save you time and money. Preventing callbacks. With the speed and accuracy of a pinless meter on your side, you know you're doing your job right the first time. You're doing your due diligence and taking all the necessary steps to give your customers the best. Labor savings. Using pinless meters in your shop means less labor. No more filling holes or replacing damaged pins. Pinless meters give you the break you need without compromising the success of your project. No hole damages. The flat, smooth sensor pads in pinless meters mean 0 damage to the board. And it's exactly what you need if you work with fine woodworking projects, such as expensive wood flooring, furniture, cabinets, or musical instruments. Ready to elevate your work? Visit WagnerMeters.com and see how an Orion meter can help you save time and money.